2016. So back to black. I think I should put lip gloss to this. Lip gloss can do for these lips. So the finish. So let's add a little touch. Really rock. So style any which way. Daddy, lift you. Your choice. Your choice. David, leave that. Your choice. So let's get back. just so you can have this look too. You are good to go. You're good to go. You good to go. Rock this. Okay, so I like my makeup in this actually, especially when I want to. I love it shouty when I'm wearing black. So yeah, this is the lightest makeup you can rock on a daily basis. Your face. Hairstyle, makeup done by me, classy. Your favorite Gary classy. Rate my look. Rate me from 1 to 10. My makeup, my hairstyle. Yes, guys, I love you guys. See you in my next hair tutorial and makeup view. Hey, happy Sunday. Basket. I love you. Bye. David. Very good. Very good. Where to cut your hair? Let's cut David's hair for tomorrow's class. Where are you going? Come back. Be a good boy, okay? Be a good boy, okay? Hello world, thank you for watching this video to this time. So I'm giving this last magic fast makeup beauty. Anyway, you're welcome to my channel. If my name is Rita Classy Beauty, tell me one of these styles, which of these styles you're going to try, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Let's get to know each other. Okay, bye.